Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. KK Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on sourcing management. One of the specialization papers in operations management of MBA course taught in AKTU. This is part first. Now come to the question. Question number 1. Which one of the following is not included in the 5R in purchasing? A. Quality. B. Quantity. C. Price. D. None of these. The correct option is D. None of these. They are all in fact included. 2. Which of the following is not a function of purchasing management? Now you look at the options given. A. Selecting the source. B. Placement of purchase order. C. Physical controls of material. और D. None. So अगर आप यहाँ तुलनात्मक रूप से देखें तो correct option is D, that is none, because rest A, B, C, they are all the functions of management, in fact purchasing management. 3. The purchase order form is designed by A. Materials manager, B. Purchase manager, C. Marketing manager, or D. None. The correct option is B. Purchase manager. 4. The objective or objectives of forward purchasing is oblique are. The correct option is A. To guard against interruption in supply. 5. JIT contributed to the A. Reduced inventories and WIP. B. Reduced suppliers and vendors. C. Reduced information flows. Or D. Reduced manpower planning. Correct option is A. Reduced inventories and WIP. 6. Hedging technique is used. A. When there is an organized commodity market. B. When large quantities of a particular commodity are bought and sold. C. Both A and B, or D. None. The correct option is C. Both A and B. 7. Purchase budget has an impact on A. Profitability of the company. B. Materials budget of the company. C. Bills of materials. D. All. Correct option is D. All of these. A. Right quality means, यहाँ पर अगर आप तुलनात्मक रूप से देखें तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी, buying quality which suits the needs without incurring extra cost to the company. 9. Purchase order is a legal binding contract only if it is, correct option is A, accepted by the supplier. 10. JIT is a concept which means, correct option is C here, getting the item just when they are needed for production. 11. The type of purchasing where the purchaser tries to protect himself by entering into two transactions, a purchase and a sale contract, in two markets whose prices fluctuate is known as A. Speculative buying, B. Forward buying, C. Hedging, or D. Blanket order. Correct option is C. Hedging. 12. The parameters of vendor rating include A. Price, B. Service, C. Delivery, or D. All. Correct option is D. All. Question number 13. The type of purchasing where the purchaser tries to protect himself by entering into two transactions, a purchase and a sale contracts, in two markets whose prices fluctuate is known as A. Hedging, B. Speculative buying, C. Forward buying, or D. Blanket order. Correct option is D. Blanket order. 14. The document prepared on receipt of materials in store is known as A. MRN, B. GRN, C. Chalan, D. Bill of materials. Correct option is C. Chalan. 15. The system of purchasing from one customer preferred to others is known as reciprocal buying. Correct option is C. 16. A stipulation in a contract of sale pertaining to goods which is essential to the main purpose of the contract is called A. Rejection, B. Warranty, C. Acceptance, or D. Condition. Correct option is D. Condition. 17. When the contract of agency is in writing, it is called A. Law of agency, B. Quiescent perictum facit per se. C. Power of attorney or D. None. Correct option is C. Power of attorney. 18. An arrangement whereby the obligation to pay an exporter is undertaken by a bank is called LC, that is letter of credit. Correct option is B. 19. The type of buying most suitable for C strategy of items of inventory is, correct option is C, blanket order. 20. Procurement methods have considerable impact on A. Product pricing, B. Inventory level, C. Warehouse space, or D. Transportation modes, or E. All of the above. So here correct option is B. Inventory level. 21. Inventories are maintained for meeting production requirements, supporting the operations, extending customer service, and hedge against future A. Uncertainties, B. Production schedules, C. Cost reduction, D. Profit goals, or E. None. Correct option is A. Uncertainties. 22. Effective implementation of VMI depends on smoothly addressing the concerns of dash A. Defining incentive programs based on partnership and not on sales volume. B. Building partnerships with management commitment. C. Conduct simulations and pilots before actual implementation. D. Organize training sessions before launching VMI program, or E. All. Correct option is E. All of the above. 23. The modern approach to control inventory is not focused on dash A. Flow, B. Flexibility, C. Adaptability, D. Balancing, or E. Integration. Correct option is C. Adaptability. 24. The inventory carrying cost is consisting of the cost of the funds invested in inventory, handling cost, dash damage and obsolescence cost, and opportunity cost. So here correct option is A. Insurance cost in place of the dash one. 25. AITS in inventory controls means automated inventory tracking and system. Correct option is B. 26. The procurement policy decisions are concerned with managing the inventory dash across the various distribution network. A. Independently or interdependently. B. Collectively. C. Using ERP. D. In transit, or E. None. Correct option is A. Independently or interdependently. 27. Inventory should be held only when the dash of holding the inventory exceeds the dash of carrying the inventory. So here correct option is B. Benefits and cost. 28. The purchasing is a process covering many steps such as sending inquiries, request for quotations, soliciting quotation, dash, issuing purchase order, shipping advice, invoice, and finally issuing payments. A. Setting specifications, B. Stratification, C. Administration, D. Negotiations, or E. Noting stock levels. Correct option is D. Negotiation. 29. EOQ is an inventory decision model based on, correct option is A. Differential calculus. 30. The economic order quantity is the number of units that a company should add to inventory with each order to minimize the total costs of inventory, which order covers holding costs, dash, and shortage costs. So here correct option is E. Order costs. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass down to others those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.